Did you know that there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins created? As of March 23, 2023, we've already got 19,325,812 Bitcoins in existence. With a limited supply like that, the value of each Bitcoin becomes even more significant. Yes, Bitcoin is back, stronger than ever, and it's about to make history. Welcome everyone. We're taking you on a thrilling journey into the future of cryptocurrency. In today's video, we look at the reasons why Bitcoin's value has risen so quickly and what that might mean for the world of digital currencies. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future updates. Now, let's take a closer look at Bitcoin's recent performance. On March 22, 2023, the token shattered the $25,000 barrier and reached a staggering $28,803.34. This marked the highest price for Bitcoin in 9 months. And to think just last year, we saw a 60% decline in its value as investor sentiment shifted. But things are changing quickly. As of March 17, 2023, Bitcoin has comfortably settled above $20,000. Showing an impressive 60% increase from its 2022 year-end price of $16,547.50. What's behind this surge? Well, investors are eagerly anticipating a slowdown in interest rate hikes by the U.S. Federal Reserve Fed. This shift in monetary policy has a direct impact on the financial markets, and as a result, it's driving renewed interest in digital assets like Bitcoin. As you can see, the world of cryptocurrency is always full of surprises and rapid changes. It's essential to keep an eye on these developments and stay informed, as they can have significant implications for the value of digital currencies like Bitcoin. So make sure you stay tuned to our channel for the latest updates and insights into the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. The big question on everyone's mind is, how volatile will Bitcoin be in 2023? We've already witnessed the impact of the FTX crypto exchange failure and the subsequent market volatility that brought Bitcoin to new lows in November 2022. Though we've seen some gains in 2023, Bitcoin's price is still quite a bit lower than its all-time high from just 18 months ago. Laith Khalif, Director of Investment Analysis at AG Bell, reminds us that Bitcoin investors have experienced the highest returns over the past decade. Just imagine, a single pound invested in Bitcoin back in 2013 would be worth over 1.6 million pounds today. However, Khalif also points out that the number of Bitcoin believers who've enjoyed the full 10-year return is likely quite small. To cash in on those gains, investors would have had to endure incredible volatility, such as the 73% drop in 2018, without panicking. Victor Procopina, the founder of VP Capital, agrees with this and says that those who can handle the volatility of the cryptocurrency market will be rewarded in the end. He talks about the time in 2017 when the price of Bitcoin dropped from $20,000 to $3,000. This shows that heat is used to big price changes. With the ongoing conflict in Ukraine and rising inflation affecting all asset classes, savvy investors are likely to wait for the market to recover before making any moves. Mike Novogratz, CEO of Galaxy Digital, shared his thoughts after the May 2022 crash of Terra's LUNA crypto and its USD stablecoin, stating that the macroeconomic situation would remain challenging and that volatility would likely persist. Novogratz also acknowledges that the road to recovery won't be swift or easy. He doesn't expect an immediate V-shaped recovery, but rather, he believes that the market will need to undergo a period of restructuring, a redemption cycle, consolidation, and a restoration of faith in crypto. In his words, there are periods in crypto, and recently we saw a significant one. Novogratz warns people to be careful if they want to get into the market or try to time their investments. Picking the bottom is always risky, so if you decide to do it, he recommends scaling in slowly. In other words, exercise patience and spread out your investments over time to mitigate risks. In summary, while Bitcoin and the crypto market as a whole will likely continue to experience volatility in 2023, Seasoned investors know that navigating these ups and downs is just part of the game. By staying informed and making calculated decisions, you can better position yourself to ride the wave of the cryptocurrency revolution. Many of you might be wondering, when the Bitcoin block size is cut in half, will the price of Bitcoin rise again? Let's explore this fascinating topic. As a quick reminder, there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins created. As of March 23, 2023, we already have 19,325,812 Bitcoins in existence. Every 4 years, the Bitcoin protocol is set up to have a halving event, which cuts the number of new coins by half. These events tend to boost Bitcoin's value as the supply becomes more limited. According to Capital.com, after each halving event, Bitcoin experienced a bull market that lasted between 12 and 15 months. The last 3 halving events in 2012, 2016, and 2020 led to increases in Bitcoin's value of 9,915%, 2,949%, and 665%, respectively. But what does this mean for the future? Will the enthusiasm surrounding halving events continue to drive Bitcoin's price upward? A data team member at Capital.com suggests that the impact of the Bitcoin halving might be diminishing over time. While the price may still rise, the effect appears to be less pronounced with each subsequent event. However, upcoming halving events in 2028 and 2032, as well as the overall halving cycle, could still influence the Bitcoin price forecast for 2030. Joe Burnett believes that halving events could still play a significant role in Bitcoin's long-term value. He suggests that over time, Bitcoin will become programmatically more scarce. It will take until around 2140, more than a century from now, to mine the last of the 21 million BTC tokens. As more people want to keep their assets safe, this growing scarcity is likely to be a key factor in figuring out how much Bitcoin will cost in the future. As Bitcoin continues to gain traction, it's important to note that more and more businesses, governments, and online services are starting to accept the cryptocurrency. In fact, 7 of the world's 10 largest countries, including the United States, now consider Bitcoin to be legitimate. But there are still a few countries that have outright banned Bitcoin, like Egypt and Pakistan. Other countries, like Saudi Arabia and Taiwan, have put in place unofficial bans on the digital currency. Interestingly, some nations have turned to Bitcoin amidst financial crisis. For example, El Salvador made Bitcoin its official currency in 2021 to address severe economic problems. El Salvador is still committed to Bitcoin, even though its value has since dropped and the country is still struggling with debt. In another case, after the Russian invasion, the Ukraine set up 2 cryptocurrency wallets to collect money for military and humanitarian aid. Blockchain technology is expected to help the Ukrainian economy get back on its feet in a big way. In the meantime, Aaron has used Bitcoin to avoid U.S. financial sanctions by making $8 billion worth of transactions. One major concern is the impact of Bitcoin mining on the environment. Bitcoin mining uses a lot of electricity and contributes around 0.1% of the world's carbon dioxide emissions, which is a small but noticeable amount. The University of Cambridge's Cambridge Bitcoin Electricity Consumption Index, CBECI, says that Bitcoin's current contribution to global warming is about 48.35 million metric tons of carbon dioxide equivalent in the form of greenhouse gases. With more and more people using Bitcoin and its influence on the world stage growing, it's important to think about both the pros and cons of this digital currency. As more countries and organizations embrace Bitcoin, it's crucial to address concerns such as its impact on the environment and work on finding sustainable solutions. As you may have heard, the recent collapse of FTX and Alameda Research dealt a major blow to the cryptocurrency industry. But don't lose hope just yet. Bitcoin has had a great start to 2023, with a 40% increase in value so far. Of course, there's still a lot of uncertainty around whether Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will be subject to new laws. But one thing is clear: the stage is set for some exciting developments in blockchain technology. Take Ethereum's support for NFTs, for example. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for digital ownership and creativity. And with the rise of Web3 apps, we're seeing more and more innovative uses of blockchain in areas like gaming, where digital currencies are a natural fit. Another trend to keep an eye on is the use of AI in financial markets. Blockchain technology could play a crucial role here by helping to distinguish between content generated by humans and that created by machines. This could be a key factor in making AI more widely accepted in the finance world. But even with all these new developments, some people may still be hesitant about blockchain and cryptocurrency. That's why it's reassuring to hear economists like Marian Libor from Deutsche Bank Research say that blockchain technology is here to stay. With a market value of $1 trillion, it's simply too big to ignore. What do you think? As blockchain technology continues to evolve and disrupt industries, what potential do you see for it to create positive change in the world? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more interesting videos.